Hello and welcome everybody to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Edge Caching Pro, which is a feature available in Greenbackend hosting. You can access this link in the comments below, and today I'm going to show you how to use it, how to use the web optimization features, and how to use the Edge Caching features. All these features are available in our WordPress hosting packages, from the WordPress hosting to web packages or web hosting packages. This is a pro feature, and it's pro features because we have the timeline backup options, and also we have the stack cache optimization option, which is one of the pro features available in Greenbackend hosting packages. So this is a CDN Pro. Make sure that you got it. You upgrade to it if you are an existing client in Greenbackend. So let us explain to you how to get started with our hosting packages. So you can get the link in the comments below, or you can visit greenbackend.com and visit all the available packages that we have, from WordPress to web hosting cloud packages. All right, if you need any question, you might contact me from the chat below, or using my WhatsApp number. It's available in the description of this video, and I'll just gonna pin it in the comments below. We're gonna optimize the following website, elmaha.com. This is a website that we need to optimize using the CDN Pro available in Greenbackend hosting package. So first of all, you need to go to the your panel, your hosting package. You go to the CDN option, and from the CDN option, you make sure that you have global edge caching available and dynamic cache available. So we need to activate these two options before we get started. Second, you need to go back, and from the main options inside the screen, you need to go to web optimization. And from web optimization, you go to that option, and there we can click on one-click optimization and get started with the configuration. So first off, we need to get started with HTML optimization. So in order to optimize the HTML, so we need to add hit, make sure it's available, collapse, white spaces, make sure also it's selected, combine heads. We need also to select the following tags, the following checkboxes, make sure that you just select them in order to optimize the HTML. So you can read more about each of these options inside your screen, but generally this is available in the first HTML conversion and first HTML optimization. We need to move on to the JavaScript optimization in order to optimize JavaScript in your site. So in JavaScript, it's very sensitive, so make sure you just follow the following configuration. We need to enable the following option. First, we have canonicalized JavaScript libraries. So this is a low risk. You can activate it. So basically, we just replace one hosted for free by JavaScript libraries hosting services. So we just use the default Google hosted libraries, and this is a great option. For example, if you want to use jQuery, we're just going to use jQuery in the option, not going to use yours. So this is a good inside of, in terms of CDN distribution. So we need to enable the canonicalized JavaScript libraries, first option, make sure it's selected. We need also to combine JavaScript, and yeah, so let me select the first option here. Combine JavaScript also, it's medium risk, but I'm gonna go for it. Different JavaScript. So this is a high risk option. I'm not gonna go with it. Include JavaScript source map. I'm just gonna activate this option. We have also move CSS above script. This is a good option. I need to activate it because we don't want to block the loading of CSS. That's a good option. For the CSS optimization, make sure that you just select the following options: combine CSS, fallback, flatten, inline CSS, If we move on to the list below, you can see we have to rewrite CSS. Also, we have to move CSS to head, which is a good option in terms of fast loading for the website. And rewrite CSS is also a good option in order to rewrite the images found in the minify CSS files. And from there, we go to rewrite styles attributes with the URLs, and this is a good option. And then we move on to image optimization. Images are great resources for the website, and they are heavily loaded. So we need to activate the image optimization. We have 14 options here. So we need to convert web animated, and also convert to web lossless, which is a great option. Deduplicate inline images. We have also inline images. We need to activate the following. I'm not a fan of inline preview images because it's high risk, so I'm not gonna do that. We have other options for inserting image dimensions, which is basically dimensions for the images, including the height and the width. This is great in terms of optimization and good ranking Google. So if you would like to activate the option, I highly recommend it to do that. Insert image dimensions. So basically we're gonna activate this option. Also lazy load images. This is a good option if you wanna lazy load the option. Notice I didn't insert image dimensions, so it's optional. I'm just gonna compress the images, lazy load the images, and also we're gonna go for the rest of the options here. Gonna keep them as is. Sprite images, I'm just gonna activate it. And then after you complete all this checklist, we're gonna go to the bottom and purge all the cache. So that's gonna create a new purge. So we're just gonna clear the cache and restore it again, and from the new configuration. So anyone gonna load the website, all these configuration, web optimization configuration gonna be applied to your website. So it takes time, sometimes 1 minute, 2 minutes, something like that. So these are the main configuration that we used, and now you can go and check out your website and make sure there's no problem with the JavaScript, the HTML, the CSS. So this is great. Also, inside the Greenbackend hosting, inside your hosted packages, you have many options. You can monitor your WordPress installation with different tools. You can use the CDN in order to block visitors, see the statistics, see the traffic distribution for your website, monitor the bandwidth, the web space, and also you can create multiple accounts for your business, emails. And also we have here tools like PHP admins. You can manage your DNS name servers, the SSH and the SSL, malware scanning, and also we have tools for loggings like State, Mobilizer, and different tools to monitor the statistics on your website. This is the block by country tool that we use. You can block certain countries. If you don't like certain countries, you can block it. Also, we have here statistics about your website, the total hits, the visits, traffic distribution by day, by month, by week. So you could monitor all these settings here inside the traffic distribution. We have also different options for the control panel that you can monitor many other things in one cloud web-based responsive control panel. So this is really great in Greenbackend services. Also, guys, if you're interested in developing web applications, you need to have a reliable hosting. So that's why I highly recommend to use our Greenbackend hosting services, because we've been around since 2012 inside the web hosting industry, and we know how web works, and that's why I highly recommend for all of you guys to join us at Greenbackend. Enjoy the benefit of all the features, and we're here to help you. We are developers. We are backend developers. That's why we built Greenbackend, to help you out with your projects. If you are an agency, if you have a business, if you want to, keep your business running with the best affordable prices and highly reliable services with high quality technical support, you are in the right place with Greenbackend. That's all for this video. I hope you like it. I hope you just implemented, applied all the optimization tips that we showed you, and now you can go to the website and see the performance. So let me just check it out. You can see how is this website is running very fast with enormous speed. So that's really great. And you can see here we have a shopping cart. You have different options. You can see the web optimization rules are applied. Still, we need to wait a few minutes until all the settings are applied and we got the optimal solution. We got the optimal speed, but we can monitor and see the difference right now in just within a few clicks from the control panel that we applied all the optimization tips and checkboxes. We selected the best options available inside our CDN. So that's really great. That's how to use it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to contact me if you need anything. My WhatsApp number, you can check it out down below, and let me know if you have any question regarding to this service, and see you soon. Thank you very much.